It's been a long time now, about 3, 4 months since our last video,
Yep.
and we have a lot to update you guys on. Nice, Kona. We remodeled the RV in Washington, and then we drove, as soon as we were done, over to Utah and spent the holidays with Ryan's family in Salt Lake City. We had a blast all the way through December, traveled over to Colorado, where we are now, January 1st. And now we're thinking about going to Wyoming next. But Ryan wants to tell you a little bit about what we've been through and the struggles we face and the problems we've had to fix while living in Colorado in the middle of the winter.
So I thought that remodeling the RV was going to be the hard part, but it turns out living full time in the winter is really a lot more difficult. It seems like there's been a couple days in the last 3 months where nothing has gone wrong. But other than that, as you may have seen if you follow our Instagram, just about every single day there's been a new challenge, something new to learn, something new to fix. But it's been worth it. And we'll kind of show you the rundown of what happened.
So like I was just telling you guys, we went straight to Utah and we actually stayed at a KOA and we stayed there for about a week. Didn't have the best experience, but we won't go into that. We ended up moving over to Pony Express, which was also a great location, close to his family, close to the mountains that we wanted to snowboard at. While we were in Utah, we got to play some Top Golf and had a blast doing that. We got to use our icon passes and go to Brighton. We went to Solitude. And now that we're in Colorado, we already went to Vail, not included in our icon pass, but my sister came and visited, so we stayed at a Hyatt there and we're spoiled rotten. And then we went to Copper Mountain, and just yesterday we went to Winter Park, and and we went to Arapahoe. So we've hit up a couple mountains. We're thinking about going to Eldora, but we haven't been getting lucky with the snow. As you can see, it snowed about a week ago. It's starting to melt. It's been really sunny today, 40 degrees, but now we're looking to plan our next trip to Wyoming. Hopefully the snow is better in Wyoming. We haven't decided where we're going to stay yet, but definitely has to be an RV park where we can stay plugged in with electricity. We've been staying really warm with our space heaters that we have placed in the RV strategically. And then we have also thanked ourselves for insulating the flooring. It's helped a lot. And then we finished our skirting up and have made minor repairs here and there. That's doing really well. And then our reflectics in our windows have helped. We've kind of gotten the humidity problem under locks with the condensations on the window, but we need a better dehumidifier.
Stop.
And Kona's eating sticks this whole time.
So as we mentioned in our previous video, the biggest upgrade that we're going to have to make to live off grid in the summer is going to be upgrading our solar to 1500 watts of solar. And then we actually already got our solar generator waiting for us in Washington. And so that's going to be the biggest thing. I still have been thinking about that almost every day of how we're going to make that work. Electricity is not my thing, so it's going to be a lot of trial and error and maybe getting zapped a couple times.
Oh, God!
Hopefully by the end of it, we'll be completely off-grid. These will probably be the last RV parks we're going to be staying at. Hopefully just a lot of BLM land, a lot of sitting next to rivers, hopefully, and not paying for sitting in an RV spot.
All right, if you guys are interested in seeing the highs and lows a little bit more and into the summer, keep following along at Can We Bark Here. We're on Instagram as well. And we will be posting our next video, I promise, not 3 months away this time, where we're going to share what we've learned and the things we've had to fix along the way while being in the winter in an RV. And yeah.
Come here.
Dude, don't look up there. Last time they were there. Zoom, zoom. Don't hit the camera. We have to do nothing. Alright, you want to come over here now?